Hi, there's JB for another video here in Montreal. Today I have this box. It's a very heavy box. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Very heavy. And I guess I just want to have some fun and show you what's inside this box. As you can tell or hear, there's lots and lots of coins and pennies and things of that nature. So nickels and dimes and stuff like that. This thing belongs to my RC car. I don't use it anymore because I haven't been racing RC cars for a very, very long time. It's a Huddy adjustment set for the toe in, toe out, and caster of RC cars. So it's just a suspension for RC cars. I haven't used it in like maybe 20 years. The plate, I have a few of these, maybe 7 or 8 of these, or 5, I don't know for sure. It's a plate for the car. And this was, I think, on BMW. I think this was on my BMW 1 Series. I sold the car maybe 4 years ago. Something fell on the floor here. A screw and a penny. So what else do I got in this box? I got a hell of a lot of coins, that's for sure. I have sunglasses. I have... this tool is for RC cars as well. I can't remember where this goes exactly. I think it used to tighten something, I can't remember. Maybe the 2-speed transmission, if anybody remembers what this part does. Anybody who's watching this video remembers 1/10 scale RC cars from Serpent. Serpent belt was 4-wheel drive, so this belt used to go on the 4-wheel drive system. 4-wheel drive system of the Serpent. More RC car parts from going back 20 years, 15-20 years. A hub. Maybe you might be able to see this. Universal Hobbies, $8.75. Serpent Motorsports. Sandpaper, plastic bag, flywheel for our RC car, I don't know if it's 0.12 or for a 0.21. I don't know if this is the original bag. I just shoved it in there. Also from Universal. It looks like it's a used bag, not the original bag. RC car tire that I never used. Tune pipe, Serpent, from my Serpent. No, fecha a porta. What else? Double A's. This was before we had the back battery eliminating circuit for the ESC, for the electronic speed controller. So get 4 batteries, 4 double A's in there. What else? I got a bunch of coins in there too. I'm not gonna count them, forget it. I'll be here for days. Open end wrench, close wrench, about 10mm wrench. Used to use it in my hobby. What else? This is the exhaust manifold for the Serpent. So this end goes on the engine, used to go on the engine. And this end goes on the pipe like that. As such. What else? Screwdriver. It's broken. Ratchet. Old ratchet as well. open-end wrench again. And what else? What else do I have here? Look, this little tiny screwdriver. If you can see it. What else I got in this box? What the hell is this? I don't know. This, I don't know, wire of some sort. Another upright hub. This is not the steering hub, this is for the rear of the car. I don't know if you can see the name, Universal Hobbies, and the price, $11, price of the part. This, you know what this does? Used to do, or still can work if you change the battery inside, to start the glow engine. So this goes on the glow plug on the top of the head of the engine to start the engine. And there's a big deep battery in here. If I can open it. If only I could open it. Yes, I can. It was very, very difficult. I wouldn't think that I was able to open it. That would be look. It's all disgusting. Anyways, so you put a deep battery in there, and then you shove this on the glow plug to start the engine. And close it. It's pretty disgusting. It's dirty. The battery's exploded in there. It's been there for years. What else do I have in this box? Nothing much more. Pair of scissors. I've got a paintbrush. I used to use this brush to clean my RC car, electric and gas powered models. But it's looking quite clean. Haven't used it in years. Another RC car part. I think this is a chassis part. I'm not sure where that goes. I don't remember, it's been so long. Servo tray for my Serpent, the plastic one. I didn't use this one much because I bought a aluminium one, which was considered a hop-up part at the time. Very expensive. Little tiny hammer, you see. If I had a hammer, I could hammer your head. What else? I have a old pen that I got from Insight. It's a hockey stick, actually, as you can see. Hockey stick. And it says compact. If you can read that. Good old days. What else? This tool, this wrench here, can remove the big nut from the wheel from the 1/8 scale RC car. So this will remove the wing nut to remove the tire, the wheel. And this is for the glow plug, to replace your glow plug on the head of the engine when the glow plug used to either burn out or lose performance or whatever. And you want to change the plug, that's the tool you used to use to remove it and to replace the plug. What else do I have in here? Camera fell down. Awesome. Camera fell on the floor. I have it on the tripod. Anyway, so servo. This is, I don't know how much weight this servo can pull, probably a kilogram, maybe half a kilogram, I'm not certain. It's quite a big servo. And it's probably used, or was probably most likely used as a steering servo for one of my RC cars over the years. When I started flying RC airplanes back in the 80s, all of our servos were this size. Okay. 20, 30 years later, we got these little 10, 12 gram, 15 gram servos, which work almost as well. Bag with miscellaneous parts. And that's it. I have a lot of pennies in here. A lot of stuff underneath the coins. So, just show you. Kind of like my piggy bank. It's hilarious, isn't it? Plastic bag. What else could I uncover in this box? I know there are more parts. Another upright for my Serpent. Good old days. What else? Antenna. What else? This tool here is for cutting wires, I believe. I haven't used it in a long time. I don't know. That's pretty much it. Got some. This is for curtains. Rummaging through my old box. RC car parts. Quarter. Canadian quarter. What else? What else? What else? This is a bottle of oil. This oil is for suspension for the shock absorbers. Shock absorbers of my RC cars. Serpent, as you can see. Silicone oil. And a bunch of coins. I'm not going to remove all this stuff out of here. There's just no way in the world I'm going to remove all this stuff, all these things from here. I don't know how many coins I got in here. It's like a little piggy bank, as I mentioned before. Screwdriver with a square head end. There you go. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Anyways, I think I'll let the screwdriver. I'm gonna stop here because nothing else to show. Another manifold. This camera's giving me trouble. A whole bunch of other stuff underneath, but I'm not going to bother removing it. I think you see the gist of it. One day I'll finally count all of these coins and see how much money there is in here. And that's pretty much it. That concludes what's inside the box. I thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like. Leave a comment below if you like. Tell me if you like the video. If you don't like the video, any type of comment is more than welcome. I just need to get some feedback for my channel. Thank you. Cheers. Happy Friday.